ऐसे ही शुरू होता है।
Meanwhile, the launching of Viksit Bharat 2047 Voice of Youth by Prime Minister Narendra Modi was streamed live at the Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan, Shillong in presence of Governor Phagu Chauhan. The program was attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, government officials, faculties and students of different educational institutions of Shillong. Parallel sessions were also organized for heads of educational institutions, faculties and students as part of the program. The workshop will be a key step towards initiating the process of engaging youth to share their ideas and suggestions for Viksit Bharat.
So the diversity that we have, this challenge that we have, in terms of not just community, but in terms of the landscape and the difficult regions that we have in our country. There's a huge diversity, but how can we make that into a strength? I would want you to really focus on this.
Appreciating the government's initiative to engage the youth in